Alright guys, back out here at Georgia Land Equipment Company out here in Cummings, and had to get my filters, and looking at some of their tractors that they have out here, the 2515. This is the these are little smaller tractors, and they got a bunch of other tractors out here too. If you're looking for the TYM, this is the 2610H. And this one over here, they have TYM and a Mahindra. This is the T474. And like I said, if I had to get another tractor, it would probably be the 2515, which is this model right here. So it'd probably be this model. This is the 2515H for the hydrostat. Yeah. It's just big enough and then just small enough, you know, like to make trails and stuff like that. So it's just big enough to do stuff on a big frame, and then just small enough to get into some of those corners and whatnot. It has a little toolbox and everything. And I would get it open cab like this. I wouldn't get an enclosed cab. They're still making deals, so you guys might want to think about it. If you need a tractor, is to come and think about it right now. Yeah, this is the 4820, so this is the one I have, and then you can see the difference in the size. Mine is a cab tractor. This is also hydrostatic. Yeah, a little bit different in the interior because this one doesn't have the cab, but this is the exact same one. This is the 4820. They have a couple of 4820s here. And that's the 5520R. So if I was going to go up, this would be the one I would get if I was going up. And the reason being is because it does not have the hydrostat. Now, hydrostat is good, you know, when you, you know, wife, family, kids, dad, somebody just needs to jump on the tractor. It's very, very easy to get everything going. And yeah, when you put it in granny, it you know, it'll pull. I would preferably like this one. Again, this is the one with the it has the gears, so you can see it has first, second, third, and fourth. It has the PTO function. It has the range select finder over there. It has the four-wheel drive and PTO on the ground, and then how the PTO is, how the hydraulics, that's that one down there on the ground, the knob, how the hydraulics are used, and then that one is differential lock. So again, this would be the one that I would probably get if I was going up. So that 55, that's that 5520R. So 55 horsepower. Yeah. Let's see the, oh, here it is. Now here's the one that most people get. This is what most people get that has a farm that's above, 40 acres, so 57.4. So this is what most people get. And they usually get this in a hydrostat. This is how I would probably get it on this version. So this is 57 horsepower. And the reason being, if you're really pulling and disking something, you want the gears. You definitely want the gears. To me. Now, if it's a thing to where you're just moving hay and you're going backwards and forwards and stuff like that, and you're just brush hogging, no, the hydrostack, I believe is, the best for that, because you can throw your wife, kids, everybody else on it and just tell them to go. They got it. But yeah, so I like this one. Yeah. So again, if you're in the Georgia area, this is right up here in Cummings, Georgia. Georgia Land and Equipment Sales Service. They have Mahindra tractors too. They used to have lawnmowers. They said they stopped selling lawnmowers. So, but yeah, I was looking at this box blade from Ironcraft. Yeah, probably that one over there. All right, guys, I got to get out of here. Yep. Okay, again, I'm back up here at TYM. I was getting some filters and doing the have to do the 50-hour on my tractor on the 4820. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you later.